Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set prepayment on Booking.com. Alright, let's begin. First, log in to your Booking.com extranet. Once logged in, navigate to the Property tab in the top menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Policies. On the Policies page, locate the section labeled Cancellation and Prepayment Policies. This is where you define how prepayments are handled for your property. To update it, click Update Preferences. Scroll down to find the Temporary Policy Exceptions section and click Edit. Here, you can create a temporary exception by clicking the corresponding button. Enter the necessary details, including applicable dates, rates, and other conditions for the prepayment. Be as specific as possible to ensure clarity for guests. Once all fields are filled in, click Preview Temporary Policy to review the details. Double-check everything to ensure there are no errors. If everything looks correct, click Complete this form to submit. Your updated prepayment policy will be saved and applied to your property listing. You can return to this section anytime to make adjustments if needed. So that's basically how you can set prepayment on Booking.com. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.